In this video I'm going to change spark plugs to my car. In my car it's recommended to do after every 65,000 kilometers or after every 4 years. It's been over 4 years since I did this last time and about 43,000 kilometers ago. Obviously you have to choose the right kind of spark plug. I'm using platinum spark plugs, and the important thing is this code which is in the box, and in my case the code is this one. Here's some tools that I need. Obviously I need spark plugs, then I need a socket. This is 60mm socket, and this one is with the rubber inside, so it's easier to pull out this spark plug. Then I need a torque spit. This is TX40 and this is for removing the coil pack. Then I need a torque wrench. I can torque these new spark plugs to the right specs. And then I need some tools to remove the connectors. I will show you later for what are these for. Spark plugs, these should be already in right specs. My engine, it's recommended that this is this cap is between 0.85 to 0.95. This cap is now 0.85. The engine is cold. I don't know what's right, cold or hot. I just don't want to burn my fingers.
I can immediately see that this is broken.
About 3 years ago we had to pull over our car because of the fail code 0300. We called our insurance company. They towed the car to Opel garage. The problem was the coil pack. They changed it, and might be that they accidentally broke this connector clip. At this moment I got a message, something came up, I had to stop, so I just put everything back together. About a week ago I started to change the spark plugs to my car. The reason why I stopped was that this coil pack, these screws were so tight that I couldn't remove these with the normal screwdriver. I was a little bit afraid that if I will try, I will maybe break this screw, then I would have a problem because I needed this car. But now I'm back and I try to change these spark plugs again. So let's go back to the car. Sometimes it might be that this coil pack is a little bit stuck and hard to pull out. At least in this original coil pack there is 8mm shreds which I can use to pull it out. And at this moment I noticed something bad.
Now it's getting interesting. There was oil in this one and this one. This I already cleaned. good.
I cleaned this coil pack as good as possible. I also checked everything that there's no corrosion, and also these springs inside are clean and in perfect condition. Now it's getting interesting. Oil in the spark plug holes. Two of those actually, almost half full. Something is broken. It must be this cover gasket. I ordered a new one from our local Opel garage, 65 francs. I wanted to have it fast, I wanted to have it original. Now I just have to change it. I've never done something like this before. I have to remove this cover, and to remove this cover I need something like this. This is kind of a Torx socket, I don't know what it's called. And this is E11, this should do the job. Cleaned these and I changed the spark plugs, and I took a small test drive, and at the moment there is no oil, so it's not leaking much. Oh. So So, how many screws? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 screws, 11 in the middle. You can't totally remove these screws, and you can't even buy these separately. If you want these screws, you have to buy the whole cover. These screws are not very tight. I think it's 8 Newton meters. How tight this is. Oop. It looks pretty clean, actually. I will change this rubber inside. That's like a rock. And this should be together, but it's not. That's
so hard. Original gasket from the factory. Okay, here's now the new gasket. You can't really put it wrong way. It goes only one way. And this is so much softer. Okay. Have to be careful when I install it back that it's not falling down. I think it stays pretty good. Now I will go back to the car and clean this other surface where this is touching. I'm just going to use brake cleaner. I don't have anything else. I think it's enough. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Factory spec is 8 Newton meters, so not much. Okay, my Sony camera died, overheating. There should be now everything fine.
This broken connector clip, I fixed it with 2-component glue. I hope it will hold.
Well, that was a pretty interesting few days. I wanted to change my spark plugs, easy job. I ended up changing also this cover gasket. That was actually pretty easy job to do, and also the part was pretty cheap. Well, I paid a little bit premium because I wanted to have original part and I wanted to have it fast. That's why I bought it from our local Opel garage. Now I will do just a small test drive. After that I will check that nothing is leaking. If everything works, I think I again saved few hundred francs. I'm not a car mechanic. Do your own research, what tools you need, all these torque specs and everything like that. Check by yourself. Don't trust only me. I think that's it for this video, and see you guys next time. Bye.